Welcome to Full Course Online. In this tutorial, we will explore page margins, orientation, and size in Microsoft Word. Margins control the empty space around your document text. To adjust them, go to the Layout tab. Click on Margins, and you will see options like Normal, Narrow, Moderate, Wide, Mirrored, and Office Default. The size of top, bottom, right and left margins are given in front of each option. Select one to apply it instantly. For full control, click Custom Margins at the bottom. This will open Page Setup window. On Margins tab, set exact values for top, bottom, left, and right. Next, let's look at orientation. Still in the Layout tab, click on Orientation. You can choose between Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is vertical, and Landscape is horizontal. Pick the one that suits your document. Now, Page Size. Click Size in the Layout tab. Common options include letter, legal, and A4. If you need something specific, choose more paper sizes. Set custom width and height, then click OK. That's it for margins, orientation, and size. With these settings, your document layout is fully under your control. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Full Course Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.